Comparing CyberScout password reset involves evaluating the features and efficiency of this service in relation to others in the market. To start, understand what CyberScout offers, which is primarily identity theft protection and fraud resolution services, including password management and reset capabilities. First, identify the key components of a password reset service, including security, ease of use, and customer support. CyberScout's password reset feature is designed to securely guide users through the process of resetting their passwords across various platforms, minimizing the risk of identity theft. Next, research other password reset services and compare their features with CyberScout. Consider factors such as two-factor authentication, password strength analysis, and breach alerts. Some services may offer more comprehensive password management tools, such as password vaults and autofill capabilities. When comparing these services, look for reviews and testimonials from existing customers to gauge user satisfaction and the effectiveness of the password reset process. Consider the response time and availability of customer support, as this can be crucial in resolving issues quickly. Best practices for comparing CyberScout password reset include evaluating the service's compatibility with various devices and browsers, as well as its ability to integrate with other security tools. Additionally, assess the service's adherence to industry standards for data security and privacy. In terms of practical examples, consider a scenario where a user's password has been compromised due to a data breach. A robust password reset service like CyberScout should be able to quickly and securely guide the user through the reset process, minimizing potential damage. Ultimately, the goal of comparing CyberScout password reset is to determine whether it meets your specific needs for password management and security. By carefully evaluating its features, customer support, and user reviews, you can make an informed decision about whether this service is the best choice for your password reset needs.